Hey guys, welcome to Console Service Center. In today's video I'm going to show you my new YouTube studio setup that I got in the background here. You'll see a couple of the gaming consoles on the shelves here all over the place, and then the double screens that we got when we're doing some computer work and doing the software on the consoles. So next I'm going to go down to the desk side and to the shelves just to show you what some of the consoles that we got on the shelves here. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Alright, starting from this side, we'll go work ourselves up and go around and to the computer and everything now. So on the desk we just got our glasses, alcohol, all our equipment to do our repairs with, our soldering station and our hot air station there, and a couple of our test meters. Got the analog one and we got the digital one. We got our Amazon Alexa. Let's come up here. So here we have the old PS1s, PS2s, old fat PS3 60 gig model, the backwards compatible one that is, if you guys know about that. We've got just a couple of PS3 Slims up here. This is just a little radio that's built inside a cardboard box. Then here we have just a Wii console. We have another one there which is a DS, I think that's the DS 2DS, yes. Then we got two of the normal DS flip-up ones. We just got a box here with the Xbox One X. And this is the Halo 4 limited edition Xbox 360 that we have. This is a skull helmet that we have for motorcycling when I was still riding for a club that I was in. Then we got our Xbox One S's. We got the Xbox 360 S. So we got the first one, which is just a white limited. Well, it's not limited, but you only got a few of them. You didn't see them much often. Then we got the Halo 4 edition, which that's the box for it up there. Also a Xbox 360 Slim, just with the LED lights and everything. That's the controller for it. You can see it's the Halo 4 edition. So you can get the light right there. Then down here we have the Xbox One original and the Xbox One S, and then that's just the old Xbox One controllers for the first Xbox One that came out. Okay, and then we just got a couple of colored lights. So these lights here, this light bulb here can change color. You can make it blue, green, whatever color we want. It's got a LED strip in the back. Then this rig here is where I would put the camera on when I'm doing work on the bench here, just to show you guys how to do some of the repairs. And then this light here is just like a light that we use for just more lights, you know, so we could get more light on the bench. As you can see, it's quite a bright light. It's also got the magnifying glass on the top. Switch that off, sorry about that. Switch that off. And like I said to you guys, we just got the hot air station, a couple of tools, our flux that we use for soldering, and then up here we got another light. Those two lights are synced up, so they both change color at the same time. When I ask my Alexa to change colors, she would switch the lights on and should actually change the color there. And then this side, this is where I do most of my work during the day, just quotations and things like that. So I've got one monitor there, got another monitor here. Also when we're busy working on our website, I use this computer. And then all I did was, I just took my Core i7 PC computer and I just took the side cover off because I got a Cooler Master fan system on it that can change colors. Also might put a couple more LEDs in here, LED strips, but it's okay, it works quite well. That's my Xbox One that I use to play with my son overseas in New Zealand. We often play online. So that's my Xbox One S that I got. It's a picture of me and my wife. And then that's the computer setup, office phone, cell phone, hand sanitizer and buff to wear while we're going through this virus at the moment. So that's the setup. As I get more consoles, I'll start putting them up on the shelf here. But so far this is what I got, the little collection I have so far. Got a couple of the older consoles. I'm trying to get my hands on a couple more of them, and then a couple more limited edition ones. As I get them, I'll start putting up on the shelf, and I'll show you guys what I got. You know, every time I get a nice limited edition one, I'll actually do a quick video for you guys just to show you. But yeah, this is my favorite one at the moment, the Halo 4 with the controller. It's really cool. Like I said, only a few of them were, I think there was quite a few made, but yeah, in South Africa we didn't really get that many of them. So it's quite a cool looking console. It also makes sounds, makes different sounds when the tray for the disc opens up and everything. And like I said, it is a limited edition one, and that's the box. I just don't have the game. That's a pity. I just don't have the game with it. So I've got to hunt around and try and see if I can find a game somewhere. But yeah, guys, that's my setup. And oh, one more thing I just want to show you. Hopefully that's not going to make too much of a noise. Sorry if it does make a bit of a noise. But what I do is, when I'm doing some soldering on here, I bring out this towel. This is just a towel so that it doesn't burn the table. I have burnt the table a few times already. Yep, so I just use the towel when I'm doing some soldering or some rework with my hot air station, some rework work of chips, HDMI ICs and main processor chips, so then we usually use that also. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and yeah, as I said, as I add to the collection, I'll definitely add more stuff for you guys, add more videos. But so far this is the setup, still working on a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like the video and subscribe so that I can show you guys some more videos, you know, on some of the repairs that we're going to be doing, and help you guys start repairing your own game consoles without booking them in. Even though we're a gaming repair company, and that's what we do, we just like to show some people that want to do their own repairs how to do them properly without actually breaking it. A lot of guys out there will tell you a lot of funny stories on how to put toothpaste on your chips and things like that. Doesn't work, you're just going to cause further damage. And then how to open it without damaging all the flexes, you know, on the consoles. You'll have a look. We have done a video on the PS4 Pro, a teardown. Next we'll be doing all the Xboxes and all the PS4s first, so we finish that series, and then we'll start on the Xbox Ones and maybe Xbox 360s and PS3s at a later stage, just so you guys can see how we strip down some of these PS3 consoles too. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, please like our video and subscribe, and we'll keep you guys updated with some more awesome videos. Have an awesome day, guys. Chat to you soon. Bye.